Welcome. If you have ever wanted to know whether someone has read your message on WhatsApp for PC, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll guide you through the quick and easy steps to enable read receipts in the latest version of the WhatsApp app on your computer. Let's get started. First, make sure your WhatsApp desktop app is updated to the newest version. Updates often bring small design changes, so if things look a bit different on your screen, it's usually because of the latest interface improvements. Once you're ready, open your WhatsApp app on your PC. On the left side of your WhatsApp window, you'll see a vertical menu bar. At the bottom of that list, you'll notice a small gear icon that's the settings button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a new pop-up menu where you can manage all your account preferences, including notifications, chats, and privacy controls. Now, from this menu, find and select Privacy. This section gives you full control over who can see your information, profile details, and most importantly, your message activity. Inside the Privacy tab, scroll down until you find the Read Receipts option. By default, this feature might be turned off, especially if you've just installed the desktop version or recently updated the app. To enable it, simply click the toggle switch next to Read Receipts. When it turns green or slides to the right, that means the feature is now active. Once enabled, you'll immediately be able to see those familiar two blue check marks next to messages when someone has read them. Keep in mind, when you turn this feature on, other people will also be able to see when you've read their messages. It works both ways. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Read Receipts on WhatsApp for PC. It only takes a few seconds, but it gives you a lot more visibility into your conversations, especially when you're working or chatting from your computer. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out the channel for more quick updates like this one. Thanks for watching.